Hello po. I'm glad to note na you are interested in going to the law school, no? Under the Republic Act 12124. This law was approved recently on March 3, 2025. Well, in this case, no, you could get in touch with the Commission on Higher Education, no, so CHED, no, and have your experience and other academic credentials, no, for accreditation. Na this will be equivalent to a bachelor's degree because sa law school po kasi kailangan talaga na meron kayong bachelor's degree bago kayo payagang makapag-enroll sa law school. So kung mayroon kayong 4-year course na equivalency college at ito ay preferred po, no, sa law school, katulad meron kayong tinatawag nating meron kayong degree on political science, English, philosophy, accounting, economics, no, among others. This is appropriate po, no, as preparatory course, no, dito sa law school. So get in touch po dito sa CHED, no, Commission on Higher Education, based on Republic Act 12124, no, which act has institutionalized the expansion of tertiary education equivalency at saka accreditation program. Kasi pag meron kayong accreditation na, no, ang inyong meron kayong 4-year course degree, okay? So you can apply sa mga law school, no? You could take their entrance examination, okay? And pwede po 'yon. You try, okay? At ang importante naman dyan, yung inyong 4-year course, may accredited po kayo ng CHED so that you can enroll sa law school. Okay? Maraming salamat and I hope to see you, no? Makapag-enroll po kayo sa law school. Maraming salamat.